Hey friends, in this video I will show you a very interesting fact about your Windows logo key from your keyboard. When you are just pressing the Windows logo key from your keyboard, so you are just getting the applications and other details, and you can access the applications as well. Now when you will use this Windows logo key with various keys from your keyboard, so you will get various kind of features and options from Windows 11. So in this video I will show you one by one, and few of them are very interesting, and you will also realize that this is very special for you, and this will help you for increasing your performance as well while you are working on Windows 11. So let's start by just opening a notepad file or document file. Here you can see, now we just want to copy the various content from various websites and applications in my document. So what I will do, suppose we just want to copy this one. What I will do, I will just click on the copy. Similarly, if you just want to copy a flower like this one, so I will copy this image as well. Now we have two content which is copied from various websites. Now we just want to copy these two content in my Word document. So what I will do, first I will just minimize this URL. Now what I will do, I will just press Windows plus V. Now you can see we have the content like the image which we just copied, as well as the content which also copied. So this comes inside the clipboard. Now what I will do, I will click the content which we just want to copy in my document. So we'll click on this document. Now this has been copied. Now I will press again Windows plus H, and now we just want to copy the content as well. So suppose we just want to copy this in the second line. So what I will do, I will press Windows V and I will click over here. So now you can see these two content has been copied successfully. So suppose if you are just working in your office and someone came behind of you, and you just want to hide the content from your machine. So what you will do, you will just simply press Windows plus D. So this has just hidden from your machine. Now if you just want to restore it back, so what you will do, Windows plus D again. Now this has been successfully restored. So this is the second command which I just shared with you, that is Windows D and Windows V. Windows V was just used for copying and pasting the content from various websites or applications in your document. Now when you are just working on your machine and you just want to open the Explorer, so what you will do, you will just press Windows plus E. So this will just open the Explorer of your machine, and you can just select any one of the content whatever that you want to open. So this is the command, that is Windows plus E. Now suppose if you just want to access the quick link menu, so what you will do, Windows plus X. Now this has just opened the quick link menu over here, and you can select accordingly. Now similarly, if you just want to access the widget, so what you will do, Windows plus W. So this has just opened the widgets from your Windows 11 machine, and you can just choose any one of them wherever that you want to work. So similarly, so this is the Windows plus W. So Windows plus W just open the widgets from your Windows 11 machine. Similarly, you want to just open the smiley, and you want to just copy the smiley from your machine to your document or your website. So what you will do, suppose if you are working on any social media website, or you just want to copy the smiley in your document, so what you will do, you will just uh, I'm just closing this widgets menu over here. So what I will do, I will click over here. Now suppose as you told you that we just want to copy the smiley, so what I will do, I will just press Windows plus colon. Now this has just opened the smiley page over here, and you can copy any one of them, like GIF file is also there, or you would just want to copy any smiley. So suppose we just want to copy the smiley, so what I will do, I will copy this and double click over here, or if you just want to copy the GIF, so what I will do, I will click over here. So this I just copy the GIF as well. So this is the shortcut keys that will help you to copy the smiley in your social websites or any document wherever that you are working, that is the PowerPoint or Excel or WinWord. So these all are the very few shortcuts that I just described about them, and this will really help you while working on your machine. Thank you for watching this video.